I think we have to wait for the motion for reconsideration of the House, no? I think na play out naman na po in the last couple of days yung actual objections ng lawyers groups, people's organizations, at yung mga esteemed luminaries po natin about the effects of this particular decision, and I will reiterate it today. Pagka ho pinayagan ng Korte Suprema, ito pong decision po na ito at hindi ho sila mag-reconsider, wala na ho ma-impeach sa Pilipinas. Kasi ho, kahit sino pong mataas na opisyal, presidente, vice-presidente, Supreme Court Justice, meron lang ho silang kaibigang kongresista, i-endorse ho nila. Pre, mag-file ka rito ng impeachment laban sa akin. Whether galawin ho ng Kongreso yan, hindi man yan niya galawin, magkikick in po yung 1-year ban. So, ibig sabihin, every year ho, basta meron siyang kaibigang kongresista, i-endorse na yun, galawin o hindi ng ating pong Kongreso, magkikick in po yung 1-year ban. So, ibig sabihin, it's an unfortunate situation which we hope that the Supreme Court will reconsider on in the next couple of weeks.